How y'all doing today? It's a Monday and I'm feeling great. Yesterday I was sitting here thinking like, yo, I've been an adult for quite some time now. I'm 23 now. I'll turn 24 in August. And I'm like, this journey wasn't always the easiest, dude. Like, I ain't gonna lie, I was scared too when I turned 18. But today I want to tell some of y'all a few things that helped me out that will probably end up helping you out if you are actually about to go ahead and start on your journey to becoming an adult. Do not forget to smack that like button and subscribe to me. I'm not playing. Do not wait till the last minute to do anything, and I am so serious about this. If this isn't the most important thing, I don't know what is. When you become an adult, you 9 times out of 10 will take on more responsibility. But the thing is with that, you tend to kind of see, oh my goodness, my time isn't as free as it used to be. Especially if you're on your own. Effective time management is so important. And with that essential thing, I promise you, you will be able to exhaust your energy in things that you actually enjoy that will improve the quality of your life, opposed to just catching up on things you should have did already. Number 2, do not waste any amount of time doing something you do not realistically see yourself doing for the rest of your life. And I mean that. A lot of people end up taking the path in their adult lives that they take just because they're really self-conscious about what their parents or what their family is going to think. And the thing is, a lot of people end up finding themselves unhappy when they do that at a certain point. And I'm definitely not saying spend every day at the park hooping because you think you're finna be the next Michael Jordan, because 9 times out of 10, if you at the park 24/7, you're not doing anything in the league. No, seriously. Find something that you definitely enjoy in this lifetime and make steps. Figure out how you can make that your reality and what you do to support yourself. Number 3, make sure you take care of yourself. I mean everything from physical health, mental health, whatever you got that's got to do with you. Take care of you first, because 9 times out of 10, the person that you're so focused on hanging out with or becoming friends with ain't focused on you as a first priority. They're focused on themselves, and you are just an accessory to their life, and you need to go ahead and treat it as the same. Friendships are not forever. I'm telling you. Your best friend may not be the same person that they were at 18 once they're 24. You may not be the same person that you once were in high school. Because why? Things change. And that's just natural. If you're not changing, then something is seriously wrong, because you need to grow. If you do not focus on character development in your younger adult years, you will be trying to do this all over again in your 30s. And you may not even get it right. You'd be surprised. Some people never get it right. Don't be one of those people. Number 4, I think I've lost count, honestly. Do not, and I repeat, do not even try to base your lifestyle off of what you see on social media. Because I repeat, you will go broke. It's okay not to have a gold chain. It's okay not to have a Challenger or a Charger to flex on Instagram. But what's not okay is getting caught up into seeing what you see on social media, thinking that's cool, and then going broke over that. It's not you. Don't do anything that's not you. You will go broke, like I said. And seriously, like, that's how a lot of people end up truly getting unhappy when they figure out they can't keep up the lifestyle that they see on Instagram because it costs more money than they've probably seen in their life at this point. So just be you. Tip number 5, I think it's the last one. Surround yourself around people that know things about things that you don't. People become intelligent individuals because they seek knowledge from other people and they do their own research. But you can never grow as a person if you're not willing to surround yourself around environments or even people that you would normally be uncomfortable around when you would talk about certain topics. But at the end of the day, you're gaining knowledge. You can't lose. And when you tend to want to absorb information from another person, they can kind of read you. Even with just having a first conversation, they can read that they can probably learn something off of you. if they were to ask you something, that just goes along with a positive vibration. I love dropping jewels on y'all. It's like one of my favorite things to do. Like, I actually had a lot of fun going ahead and making this, so get this just to 10 likes and I'll go ahead and make another one. Until then, y'all stay well.